Hello friends, today I'm going to show easy and tasty recipe, noodles with lots of veggies. Usually kids don't like eating veggies much, so this is going to be the best way to include veggies in kids' favorite noodles. Kids will absolutely enjoy veggies too with little juicy and silky noodles with my trick. It's an awesome choice for kids' lunchbox. Before we begin, these are the two minimum things you can take care of in nutrition label. First thing, notice the prime ingredient, what flour is noodles made of. Make sure you use wheat flour noodles or atta noodles, not refined wheat flour ones which is maida. Notice the high sodium content. So I'll be using only quarter teaspoon salt for 2 cups of veggies and onions. The other things you can alter is adding more protein and fiber. Let's get started. First heat a pan. Add 2 teaspoon oil. Add 3 to 4 finely chopped garlic. Garlic adds nice flavor to noodles. Add 2 mirchi or less than half a teaspoon chilli sauce later. Then half a cup onion slices. Add quarter teaspoon salt for vegetables. After onions are sauteed for 2 to 3 minutes, add veggies. I took different veggies, quarter cup each for 2 noodle cakes. Carrots, beans, bell peppers, yellow squash, zucchini. Don't forget to peel off the skin for carrots and yellow squash first. Usually I add even more veggies. You can choose veggies as per your choice. Mix all and saute for 5 minutes or longer until fried well. Thin sliced veggies always blend well with the noodle shape. Keep the lid to cook faster. In the meanwhile, let's boil water for 2 noodle cakes. It will be very quick to boil water in kettle, or you can boil directly in pan. So water ratio is little less than 1 cup water for each noodle cake. Needs around 2 cups water overall. Add the noodles masala. If your noodles came without masala, add 1 teaspoon pav bhaji masala for flavor. Add 2 noodle cakes. Let it boil. Mix the veggies in the middle. Add 1 teaspoon soy sauce. If you add water to veggies pan to boil noodles, veggies will get mushy and loses taste being watery. So do it in parallel in separate pans. So here is the secret to keep it juicy and silky. Turn off the flame for noodles when it still has little water left, as noodles will be cooked along with veggies. Now add noodles with water in veggies pan. Mix well and cook for 2 to 3 minutes or until extra water is gone. This way noodles and veggies blend perfectly. Add ketchup for enhanced taste. Mix all once. It's done. Turn off the flame and cover with lid. Rest it for 2 minutes and serve hot. Enjoy the super tasty veggie noodles with your family. Kids will also love eating veggies along with noodles. Hope you like my recipe. See you again with many more healthy and tasty options. Thanks for watching.